Hey there, welcome back to the channel. You're not going to believe what's going on with one of the most stable stocks on the market right now, and that is JP Morgan. And for some reason, that stock has declined huge today. And there's not even a lot of news. There's not a lot of things to figure out. There's a couple of rumors. Let's take a look at the chart. So if you look at this chart, this is the daily, and you can see that sucker that is a rude candle. Look at that volume. That is like, right now it's about three times the volume that it normally does. It's probably about 4 times the volume at the end of the day. And we're getting close to the end of the day now. It's about 320. And so this is crazy, looking at this chart. Let me show you what it looks like when we put it on a 5-minute chart. Look at this. I mean, within, this stock was at 220 this morning when it opened. So it opened here at 920, whatever, 930. And then within, an hour or so, it was all the way down to 200 bucks. It bottomed out around 200.61, and now it's back bouncing, probably a dead cat bounce at 205.75. Now, here's the weird thing. This is why you and I aren't in the club, right? This is a big, rich club, and we are not in this club. Now, somebody bought $20 million worth of puts yesterday. Somebody bought $20 million worth of puts yesterday, and the stock is down huge. It's down more than, almost 10%. Now, somebody know something? Is that insider trading? Does somebody know that there was something that happened today? Now, there's a little report, Jamie Dimon or somebody was on CNBC today, everything was fine, and then this chief operating officer came out and said, well, maybe our earnings next year from interest are going to be a little lighter. So that could be the reason for the sell-off. Maybe people knew he was going to be on TV saying this kind of stuff. That shouldn't be legal, guys. But anyway, this is why I always believe in hedging, using covered calls or selling puts or doing something to hedge, because this game is manipulated. And if you're just hoping to buy and hold, you're going to be at the whim of these rich guys that have insider information. They're going to trade ahead of you. And I really believe that, you should take advantage of that by selling covered calls. But that's just me. Anyway, this is a wild story. I'll keep you updated as it goes. It's, it's crazy that a stock like this, it's been stable. And by the way, the Fed is likely lowering rates here in September. And if they lower rates, the price of the treasuries that companies like JP Morgan has on their books is going to go up. That's going to improve their balance sheet. And going into that, it's kind of sketchy that it's gone down this much. I think maybe it's being manipulated so that people can buy it cheap and run it back up when the Fed lowers rates. So it's going to be crazy. Anyway, JP Morgan, keep an eye on it. I'll keep you updated. Take care.